Did you know you can easily get a copy of your Shreveport car accident report online? To get a copy of your car accident report from the Shreveport Police Department, submit an open records request using the Shreveport Police Department's online portal. Go to cityofshreveportla.nextrequest.com. Click the Make Request button. Include key details such as the exact or approximate date and time of the incident, the street address, intersection, or other identifiable location of the accident, names, if known, of individuals or vehicles involved. The item number, often provided by law enforcement, helps locate the specific report more quickly. It can be found on the document which was given by Shreveport Police at the scene of the accident. Request the report from the Shreveport Police Department. Enter your information, email, name, phone number, and address. Click on Make Request. You will receive a confirmation email with a request number. Once your request is processed, you will receive an invoice via email requesting a check or money order made payable to City of Shreveport Police Department be sent to Shreveport City Attorney's Office, 505 Travis Street, Shreveport, Louisiana, 71101. Upon receipt of the payment, the report will be made available through the NextRequest portal. Need help with your Shreveport car accident? Call Attorney Charles Lavis anytime for a free consultation at 866-289-2802 or visit lavislaw.com.